Congratulations on choosing your dream degree at Deakin University, Australia. You are taking a meaningful step towards a wonderful future full of possibility. Deakin is here to guide you every step of the way, so let us take you through the application process in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Check entry requirements. Every Deakin degree has different academic and English language entry requirements. If you do not meet the entry requirements, you can still apply. Deakin offers pathway programs to help you get started. Need to improve your English? Study at Deakin's English Language Institute, Duelli. If you need some help meeting the academic entry requirements for your chosen degree, Deakin College offers pathway programs. For everything you need to know about entry requirements, visit this link or check the webpage for your specific course. Step 2. Connect with an authorised agent. Depending on your country of residence or nationality, you may need to apply through a Deakin authorised agent. Even if applying via an agent is not required, we recommend it. And most students choose to apply this way due to the comprehensive support they provide. Use the Agent Finder tool on our website to find an agent in your country who can guide you through submitting your application. If you are unable to locate an agent in your country, please contact one of our international offices listed on our website. Step 3. Gather your documents. You will need certified copies of your academic transcripts, ID, and proof of English proficiency. They'll need to be certified by an authorised agent, public notary, Australian lawyer, or police officer. Ask your agent or visit our website for full details on how to get your documents certified correctly. Step 4. Submit your application. Now you are ready to apply. You or your agent can submit your application to Deakin online. Applying early gives you more time to organise your visa, travel, or accommodation if needed. You may also be eligible for financial support. Check for scholarships offered by Deakin and the Australian Government. Deakin offers a range of scholarships that you may be eligible for. That's it. 4 simple steps towards your dream career. From application to graduation and beyond, Deakin is here to support you. Good luck, and we hope to welcome you to Deakin soon.